All right, ciao, it's Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity, and we just finished lunch, testing lunch. Today we have test a bowl for the new modern Mediterranean diet with buckwheat and shrimp and tomatoes and lettuce and cheese. It's just a modern way to apply the Mediterranean diet intakes to the international cooking. This is my testing kitchen. As you can see, is a little messy, but it's okay. Let's go and check and see how the results are of the testing. Let's go to clean the table. I'm gonna put you here in my pocket and then let's go together. Let's see what we find on the table. All right. So that's what we got. Not bad. So that means testing went well. All right.